how to buy priceless token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do it on research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the community next. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 hours ago and increased by 15,000% in less than 24 hours. And also this token trending number 1 in the B section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is our token, but before going on add this token, make sure to read that risk. And if you are ready to go, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and as you can see, click on this icon. Search, and now you can search it here on the search bar. After you find it, click on it and now click here on swap. As you can see from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, ZT, and now you can type in how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this one on your wallet. So this is how to buy priceless token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.